How to extract audio from a video in Alight Motion. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can extract audio from a video in Alight Motion. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up Alight Motion, then you could create a new project. Tap on create project. So once you land on this interface, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. Now head over to your media, then you have to select the video from where you would like to extract the audio from. For example, I have this video here. It says high resolution, so I'll just select another video. So once you have your video on your timeline, then to extract the audio from this video, you have to tap on the video on the timeline. Navigate to top right, tap on the three dot icon. Now here you have an option to extract the audio. So tap on extract audio. Now you have audio extracted at the top and the video at the bottom layer. Now you could delete the video and you will be only left with the audio layer. So that's it. That's how you can extract audio from a video in Alight Motion. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.